My babies are growing now. This will be nice, green and full. Oh my god. My fruit trees hanging in there. It's windy. I wonder if this watermelon is gonna give me any fruit before the winter comes. I wanted to dig some more, but it's hot. Oof. Can't wait for these beans to start growing and give me some vegetables, string beans. It's really windy. I feel bad for my plants. My god. If I get lucky, I'll have a few vegetables from here with the clemency. And over here, I'm also hoping to get some vegetables. There are already a few growing. I think this one's sage. I'm not sure anymore. I think I need to transfer them, but it's still too hot to transfer. Sent my husband to buy more soil at Home Depot and 4 more big pots, just like this one, for my avocado, mulberry, and apple tree. I'm gonna wait on my day off to transfer this one. I'm gonna let it get used to the weather first here. I'm gonna let it settled. I know I need to transfer this one to my peach tree. Look how tall they are already compared to the one in the ground. Because this soil over here is pretty healthy. Now I'm gonna have a hard time removing them and transfer in the pot. My squash. Some of them are climbing in my peach tree. Some will be in my grapevine. Some will be in the ground.